Hey, good night all. I have on some trades here, guys. I took one NQ A mini. It's just trading like kind of sideways, back and forth up here. Uh, if we look back here, see, took it here and didn't do nothing much, right? Here and goes up, come down, finally got the drop. I saw it's coming in here to a zone here, so I might just take it off. For a quick win, I mean, the $700 win, you can't go wrong. You know what I mean? So it's coming into a big zone. Well, coming into a fresh zone here, a fresh demand zone here. He just broke through one. And then you have one, an existing one. That's kind of the low of the day. So I think I'm going to book this win here, guys, for 735. I could leave the micro on and let the micro run all night. That's up like $6 because I think we're coming down, right? So I was just looking through my daily charts as I'm doing my write up. I took that trade, and based on how he closes yesterday, look, guys, this is NQ on the big picture. Squeeze fire short into six of the oscillator bars. We got a crossover. We still have that crossover to the downside. The DMI plus DMI is way at the bottom. It need to get up above 25 or 35. Uh, it's not looking good, right? If we look at YM, he kind of crossover in the MACD, oscillators, squeeze trying to go above the zero line, close above the 21, he's trying to make a move. This is the strongest guy, RTY. Close above the 8, and MACD crossover, so he's rolling along. These other guys all are suspect right now, right? All these guys. He still cross below. All right, so it's big picture analysis, right? So below the 21, below the 21, below the 21. He's below the 34 EMA, close before the 34. So, and then what you have happening here is that if we look to revert to the mean chart, you can see what's happening here, guys. Come back to the mean, YM. These guys are trading below the mean, right? XPX, they're all trading, ES, XPX, NQ trading below the mean. This is revert to the mean chart using Kelter channels. This is the mean, 3 standard deviation above, 3 standard deviation below. As you get extreme, you pop up backlog. Extreme up, extreme up. All right, so that's where we are. Right? Plus, what's happening here? Finish my write up. What's happening here? So NQ come, try to get here. You got to book the profit, right? So gotta respect the zone. So I don't wait it to get into the zone. Once there's a zone there and I have a profit, I take the trade, right? See, even come in here. So 2-minute chart, he came into an exhaustion point here, like an oversold condition, right? Cumulative delta still going down. Got a drift, right? So I could leave this and let this work. Book the profit here. And I didn't do nothing on YM. He's a strong guy, right? Based on my analysis. ENRTY and EMD. I mean, the trick yesterday was that EMD was actually holding up the ES, right? EMD was up, I don't know, 20 something handles. So that's why ES and XPX hold that well, right? Other than that, these guys would have sell off. The XPX closed only 12 points down, right? Why? Because the EMD, all right, trading down right now, but he was up, all right. So when the EMD is up, it kind of, well, let me back up. The EMD is the mid-cap stocks within the S&P 500. So if the ES is selling off and the EMD is up, it kind of keep ES from flushing, right? That's how I look at it, and we could actually go back and look at yesterday levels. If we come here, there's some watch list builds on investing.com for quick review. All right, I come back here, I want to look at stuff. I come back here, and I'll see the closing prices, right? So here's how we closed yesterday. And look at the Russell, and look at the EMD close up 24, right? While the S&P was down. So we said this was down, and the ES was selling off, and XPX drop. It should be down like about 20 points. But because the EMD was up, the mid caps within the S&P 500, it kind of hold some selling off, right? That's how I use it. See, bam, out of the zone, you take your profit, you're out, guys. Okay, quick win. Look for another trade. I don't know if I'm going to trade anything else tonight, but if he rally back into any of these zones, I might take him down back again. So that's it for now.